Hi friends, welcome to #me. Today in this video we will see uses of this operator in Java. So basically we need to consider the object internal state represented of this of reference variable. So as you consider the below diagram, this is a reference variable that points to the real object and its internal state. So you can visualize in this variable as a reference variable. It points to a real object and it contains its own state. It might be in transient or any kind of state, and it possesses its own behavior. Now let's see the uses of this keyword in Java. So below are given 6 uses of Java this keyword. So don't worry, I will in the description link I will paste a source code regarding this, and let's first see the uses of it. This can be used to refer current class instance variable. This can be used to invoke current class method implicitly. This can be used to invoke current class constructor. This can be passed as an argument in the method call. This can be used as an argument in the constructor call. This can be used to return the current class instance from the method. So now let's see the code part of it. So according to scenario 1, use of this to refer current class instance variable. So in this, what I've done is created a class named as employee using its 3 attributes as employee number, age, and name. And it also has its constructor. Now see here, uh, employee number, age, and name. When you give call to the constructor using these attributes, so here in the constructor, these refer to the variables of the employee class. So this dot employee number is employee number. So this dot employee age is equal to employee age, and this dot employee name equal to employee name. In order to distinguish between the argument variables and the class level variables. So these keyword here refers to the current class variables. So I printed a method using these display employee types and print the details of employees. So now let's see the output of it. Employee details are as follows. Prints first employee number 39 Arun Kumar, E1002 12 Seema Bhosle. So that was about employee details of demo of current class instance variable. So now let's move to the method. Second scenario, use of this to refer current class method. So similarly in last demo in regard to that, I created employee details class. It contains its own member variables as employee number, age, employee name, employee grade, its own constructor, and samely I again instantiated using these. And what I've done, these grade variable, we created a method get grade details, and using this dot employee grade equal to a. So I substituted the value of the grade employee grade declared in the class level, and also given a call to display employee grade details method using this keyword. So it prints the details over here. So using this keyword, I've given a call to its own class method variable. So let's see the output now. Prints employee details are E1001 employee number, age, name, and then grade is A. It's showing correctly. Employee E1001 39 Anuka Kumar. So in this demo we have seen using these keyword given call to current class method. Let's move further. So use of these to referent current class constructor. So what I've done, I created a fruits class, I create a constructor of it, and it also have it's a default constructor and fruits, and also a parameterized constructor. And using these keyword, we're going to class to the current class constructor. So it returns to the default class constructor, and it prints the last line of the code in the class. So now let's see the output of this. So this will give default fruits, taste of oranges, fruits is bitter. So what happens, firstly, when the constructor is created, so as per the main method call, it's giving, I will declare the given call to the constructor class, constructor, parameterized constructor of class fruits. So but what happens, using these, it's give calls to the default constructor. So it firstly prints the line as this will give default fruits, then it's print taste of oranges, fruits is better as the next line of execution. So that was about use of this to refer current class constructor. Let's move further. So in this scenario 4, what I've done is use of these to pass as an argument to the method. So I created a class, I written method over display message, and passed as an argument instance variable of that class. This is argument to method demo in the definition over there. And also I created another method and given a call to the display message, and you internally this calls the internal overloaded method. So now let's see what's the output it gives, because using args demo as the class instance variable and given call to the non-argument constructor. So it prints this is argument to method demo. So what happens when I given call to the display message using the constructor, it gives call to internally to the method using these keywords. So using these as a argument type, it internally calls the another method display message of the class args demo. So that was regarding argument to method using these keyword. Let's move to the fifth scenario. So use of these to pass as argument to constructor. So what I've done is I've done a class and I have created as a public class as only the main method. I've created a constructor of it, and I've created a constructor of the other class, and it's holding reference of the public class. So using this, initialize the instance value of that class. And so I created another method constructor demo, and also default constructor. This dot args demo equal to args demo internally calling the internal overloaded method. And in the main method only, you create a constructor argument to const, and what I've done is created a instance variable of constructor args and holding these reference variable. So now let's see the output, and using that the main method created the instance and given call to constructor demo method of the constructor args. So it prints this is an argument to method demo using this. Actually it should print an argument to constructor. I'll just recompile and run it. So yeah, it's printing this is argument to constructor using this. So we saw argument to method and argument to as well as constructor using this. So now let's see the final part of scenario 6 using these keywords. So now let's see the final scenario of this use of these to return instance from the current class method. So what I've done, I've written a class and given method definition, and then written this and default object, and it also included display message, and it's provided its own definition to that message, display message method. So what I've done, instead of the normal way of calling creating an object, I directly use a new keyword and given call to the nested method call to print the message. Let's see the output. Yeah, it's prints call given to the to return this from method class, which can be seen as a definition provided to the method. So point to remember is using these when you give as a return method call. So you need to make use of directly the new keyword and give the nested method call. Otherwise, if you follow the normal method, let's see what output it does. It doesn't print anything. So point to remember is you should use the directly new and the nested method call to make use of return. When you use return using these keyword from the constructor method, use of these, so this was the use of these return instance from the current class method. So this covers all the scenarios related to this keyword. More to come on you for Core Job Basics. Keep liking, subscribing, #taking me. Bye for now.